So, as soon as the calendar hits March, every Manipal kid knows it's gonna be eat, sleep, Utsav, and repeat time. And it's my Utsav one last time, and the calendar finally reached March. And here's the catch, over the next few vlogs, it's gonna be Utsav this, Utsav that, which is bringing up so much nostalgia, but also reminds me and made me realize I've made a very beautiful BTS cut for my cultural parade, and it's on my feed right now. And I don't think we need another copy, right? I mean, YouTube has its own restrictions for the audio, etc., which I want to use. So, here's the thought. I realized I can show what happened in between, before, and after the culture parade, basically Utsav. Hope you all like it. Reached that stage of college life that I don't care. I just need the sun not to be on my face. Bro, why are we happy?
That tomorrow we don't have 8 o'clock class.
We're happy today. Whole of today we're gonna be happy because कल 8 बजे की class नहीं है. Yes! Oh, you're not seen only. We are not seen.
Guys, I'm not seeing. I'm still not seeing guys. Yeah, I'm seeing.
The food is not seen.
Leave the food now. Focus on the taste.
Don't focus on this face. Focus on this face, guys. His face is happy. सीधी बात नो बकवास. I don't know why they said that. Why they say that? Lose. I know I have not really been vlogging as such, but here and there I've been taking steps idhar udhar. So, but yeah, it was like last week. I took a week to recover from one weekend. So, but I've been going on. So, anyways, today I woke up around 5:50 to go for culture parade practice from 6. I went to run and got locked out of the room. So I didn't shower, so I went back to the cultural parade, the practice. I don't know if any of this is heard, but yeah! Abhi, I'm going back to the room. I'm going to take a quick shower, chill for a bit, soak the clothes and all, and yeah, go back to practice. But I'm going to carry my laptop. I'm just going to like idhar udhar check nails. Jo bhi karni hai, just on the laptop is easy. But all they say the practice is done at 5 or like before dinner. I mean, I think it's for till dinner today, but let's see. I think it's today, it's Sunday not today, so I think it's till 5. Sometimes I hate this phone. Ulta bed, straight bed to ulta hai, ulta bed to straight hai. Ganishta manka. Guys, today is the day where Pinky finished her meal. Let's go.
No, a few days back also she did.
Log in and
Focus.
focus.
What do you have to say? What do you have to say?
I've been doing this when I was a kid.
Every week when it's Tuesday, I was like, I'm gonna get this done, that done, and I'm like, it's Tuesday today. I know when I look at back just to edit now, I'll get what I mean. Shooting this over, I remember if between 2 days, or between in the same day, between 2 clips, if there is no connection, it means I was brain rotting on Instagram or probably trying to edit something for the account. You ever buy something and eat and be like, you're never gonna buy this again. Food coma के बाद I slept for an hour. This woman. Okay, to be very honest, going somewhere without anything to carry is like top tier movement for me in Manipal. Today, after 18 to 19 days, I have a free afternoon. Every day I have classes. I mean, no complaints, but nobody understands this. But imagine you have to wake up every day by 7:30 a.m. as somebody who is active after my 4 or 5 p.m. classes. I thought I can do it, and I'm still doing it. The thing is that I've underestimated that mental energy is also going to be so like taxating, like mentally, because from my 5 to 9 p.m. a lot of people are into the frame. Like people come in picture. I'm constantly engaging in conversations. I'm constantly around people. So, and I have to study. I have exams in like 2 weeks. I'm trying to balance everything. I just came here to say that. So, by the time everybody wakes up, has breakfast, goes to work, or goes to classes, I'm already done with my first class. Do I feel good about it? Yes, but yeah. I overslept and went late to the clinics. Thank God that I usually show up on time, so it didn't look like I'm covering up something. But we still finished class on time. If anybody asks me and Libani why we are late, it is because we get down 6 floors ka stairs every day, 5 days in the week, and we walk a lot in the clinics. So we are like this. That's why.
एक घुटने पे ब्रो
तुमको पता नहीं निकले तुमको पता निकल जब मेरी महीना